Mom's gonna be asking you why we smell like this.
Wait, I'll just say that we did a thing of perfume. Come on. Quit undoing it.
I'm not.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah, it's like you can feel it on your hands. It's very glitching.
I hate you, video. Stop. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Does it hurt?
No. Oh my gosh.
Make sure it's on video. Oh my gosh!
It didn't hurt, did it?
No, but it scared me to death and I smelled it.
Yeah, I know.